Shall we help ChatGPT model a business process in BPMN? RK pointed out, seems that more reasoning activated in model is needed. I've recognized also that split of text might help. So try to let the model first detect the main structure. For instance, it's difficult to generate one complete book with one prompt, but chapter by chapter works. If you haven't watched the video RK referred to, I put a link to it in the description below. Hi, my name is Andreas Hense and I make videos on business process automation. Let's take the book approach now. So I have this book here. Very nice. And let's see what happens. So to make the task for ChatGPT even a little easier, I will upload a process model called AutoParts BPMN. And this is a diagram that I have created myself using the Camunda modeler, and it's of medium complexity, has some swim lanes, various events, and it's just as a model for the syntax. So I will tell it I've uploaded this in Camunda 8 syntax to show you the correct syntax. And then the next step is that I will use this pharmacy process. And the description of the pharmacy process is the same as in the other video. And in the other video, I've uploaded this as one chunk. And this time I will divide it into 3 chunks. The first one, the second one, and the third one to get this conversation going. So I will now present you with several bits of information about a pharmacy business process. After each step, I want you to create a BPMN model in Camunda 8 syntax with the information you have received so far. Perfect, I'm ready. Very well. So here comes the first chunk. So it's ready, pharmacy process step 1.bpmn. And I'll download the file and we'll now go to this modeler and pharmacy process step 1. Upload successful. And it says invalid diagram, no diagram to display. I've had this message before. Thanks for the heads up. Let me generate the same model with all required BPMN diagram elements included. Now it's ready. Pharmacy process step 1, displayable BPMN. Oh, wow, it's displayable. Prescription dropped off, drop-off location, drop at drive-through counter, drop at front counter, wait or pick up later, wait for prescription or nominate pickup time, put prescription in hourly box. So that's the first part. Looking good. So now comes the second part of the information. So pharmacy process step 2 displayable BPMN. I download the file and I will upload it here. It's creating nice names, by the way. That's quite handy. And continuous nominate pickup time, put prescription in hourly box, pick up prescriptions for current hour, enter prescription details, and so on. So we'll continue with the last part. So now it's created pharmacy process complete displayable BPMN. Enter prescription details, automated DUR check, if it's raised, and so on. Contact doctor, automated insurance check, and yeah, looks good. But what's missing? Can you? I will just say nice. Can you add swim lanes? Because we have provided the information. The error occurred because the XPath query failed due to a missing default namespace. Okay. I'll now correct and regenerate the BPMN with swim lanes properly. So now it's with swim lanes. I'll download that. Yes. Where are the swim lanes? I cannot see the swim lanes. Thanks for pointing that out. You're absolutely right. The swim lanes appear visually. So yeah, I would like to have visually appearing swim lanes. So now swim lanes displayable. I'll download that. Oh, unsupported BPMN element. I think I will have to copy that. Now it says invalid diagram, and then this error message. What's going wrong? The solution. Let me now apply this fix. Swim lanes corrected. Now it has swim lanes, pharmacy system, pharmacist, pharmacy technician, customer. But it looks like the diagram is just with the same layout as before and just put on top of all of the swim lanes. But I would like to have the tasks in their specific swim lanes. can you put the tasks in their correct swim lane? And also mark the type of the task like manual, automated, user, etc. All tasks are now placed in the correct swim lanes and assign appropriate BPMN task type. User task, service task, and it's called pharmacy process complete typed swim lanes. Yeah, so it didn't really do that properly, but let's leave it at that. What can we see now? So we can see it didn't put the types properly and the tasks in the correct swim lanes. The layout is not too bad, and I would have to put all of the tasks in their respective swim lanes by myself now. The other thing, of course, is that it didn't really capture the fact that this business process is in reality 3 different business processes, because wait for prescription, for example, and then picked up later, and then nominate pickup time, put prescriptions in hourly box. This is all a different process now. Pick up prescriptions for current hour and all these things. This really should be a different business process with a different trigger. So it didn't really capture the essential characteristics and problems of this business process. But for first attempt, and especially for someone who is not familiar with the methodology or the Camunda tool, this is a useful first start. And so RK was right. It's really better giving the information in little pieces to ChatGPT instead of feeding it all in one chunk. Thank you for watching.